Welcome to Outdoor Idea. Product name, Super Suction Bed Vacuum Cleaner suitable for pillows, curtains, sofas and carpets. UV light and safe design, highly efficient UV light, 253.7 nanometers, with strong penetrating power. This UV bed vacuum cleaner can effectively eliminate over 99% of allergens from fabric surfaces throughout the home, and keep you away from coughing and sneezing. The safe 3-point UV light trigger mode to prevent the leakage of UV rays. Powerful suctions and high-frequency vibration, the mattress cleaner machine 15,000 times per minute to release dust, pollen and grime deep within the mattress. With 1200 powerful suctions, it makes the mattress vacuum cleaner vacuum up pet hair and dander easily. Suitable for mattresses, carpets, pillows, rugs, futon, blankets and furniture. Hot air drying and dehumidification. Our bed vacuum cleaner simulates sunlight exposure and emits 131 degrees Fahrenheit airflow to help your fabric dehumidify and prevent the regeneration of allergens. Keeps your fabric as warm and comfortable as if it had been exposed to the sun, allowing you to sleep with peace of mind. Efficiency HEPA filtration. HEPA filter can filter 99.97% of fine particles and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. Besides, Handheld vacuum cleaner is with 500 ml large capacity dust box, which can accommodate large amount of pet hair, dust, debris and other allergen. 2. Product name Handheld UV Vacuum Mini Vacuum Cordless. Wireless design, more flexible and safer, no power line, improve the usage safety. Freely change your cleaning range as well as flexibly control. Multi-methods for noise reduction. Enjoy the cleaning, precision motor multiple noise reduction, coupled with suspension motor shock absorbers, noise lower to 65 decibels, smooth operation. About charging. The special charging base is not only an energy station, but also a storage station. It is placed vertically to save space and needs only 2.5 H for full of energy. Designed with round dentation flapping mode in both sides, effectively prevent fabric from scratching and reduce the crapping problem of hair. Working time, can use around 25 minutes for one-time charging.
3. Product name Bed Vacuum 15,000 pascals strong suction, 36,000 times, min, bring the sunlight indoors? Eve Bed Vacuum Cleaner. Eve Bed Vacuum Cleaner features special light and wave as what's exactly from the sunlight, which deeply and thoroughly cleans your bed mattress, sofa and carpet to the fullest by vacuum cleaning the dust and also eliminating the invisible. No chance for anything baleful to grow or stay indoors with this Eve family living environment guard. Two-way cleaning, vibration plus 15 kilopascals suction. Driven by dual high-power motors, the helical rolling brush of this device cleans with strong vibration force at 36,000 times per minute, which helps act deep to 20 inches for more effective and thorough cleaning. And coupled with 15 kilopascals suction for vacuum cleaning, which further enhances the cleaning performance to even better. Hot air drying while cleaning. When cleaning, the holes in the back of this mattress vacuum cleaner will blow out hot air to dry your mattress in the meantime, which removes the moisture from inside the mattress or carpet, and makes nowhere livable for the invisible to grow and exist. Dual cup design, filtering and dust collecting separately. The cup with HEPA filter for filtering, and the other cup for dust storage. This handheld bed vacuum can hold more and work longer without emptying that often. The display panel makes the cleaning process visible. Red light on, still needs to be cleaned. Green light on, cleaning in the current area is done, time to change to another place for cleaning. 4. Product name Live Pure, volume and fabric sanitizer, dual motor brush neutralize the allergen causing
deep inside your mattress, bedding, furniture, carpet, clothing and other soft surfaces in your home with this portable, lightweight, handheld vacuum. UVC light eliminates the dust mites and allergens living deep inside your mattress, bedding and furniture. Studies found 98.1% of dust mites and 99.1% of E. coli Staph and Salmonella are eliminated only after a few seconds of exposure to the UV light. Includes a range sensor as an important safety feature to ensure UV light is activated only when within 1-2 inches of the surface to be cleaning to reduce risk of contact with UV light. Covered rolling brush, efficiently cleans soft surfaces without disrupting the fabric, such as a made bed, pillow, or curtains. Vibration loosens the dust mites and allergens buried deep inside these fabrics. 5-inch opening to cover large areas. Dual filtration, true HEPA filter captures up to 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns from the air before reaching the dust collection bin, including pollen, dust, mold spores, hair and pet dander. The dust collection bin collects other particles without releasing them back into the air. Filter and dust collection bin are cleanable. 5. Product vacuum cleaner, 12 kp handheld UV vacuum cleaner for bed cleaning. 12 kp / double pulsating pad. The pulsating pad vibrates about 12,800 times per minute with high frequency vibration to stir up dust and dirt from the loose mattress, bringing dirt to the fabric surface. This flapping function is combined with the 12 kp suction function. The suction power is increased, and the cleaning is deeper. High efficiency filtration. The Mattress vacuum cleaner HEPA filter cartridge purifies deeply, capturing 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns and releasing fresh air. Isolate large particles of garbage, firmly lock dust and dirt, and will not leak. 3-in-1 function. Combined with professional research to customize the U-shaped strong purple light tube, the irradiation intensity is greatly increased. For bed cleaning, the bed vacuum cleaner uses the 3-in-1 function, high frequency flapping, strong suction, and purple light penetration, making cleaning more convenient and more thorough. Dust box cleaning. Mattress cleaner machine snap-on dust box, easy to remove and clean, can be cleaned directly under